Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to speed up your workflow in Canva by selecting multiple pages at once, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to select multiple pages in Canva so you can organize, move, or duplicate your pages effortlessly. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a Canva multi-page pro. Open your project first, open the Canva project you want to edit. Make sure you're in the main editor view where all your pages are visible. This is where the magic begins. Access grid view. Next, look for the grid icon at the bottom of your screen. Click it to switch to grid view. This gives you a clear overview of all your pages in one place, making multi-selection much easier. Start multi-selection. Here's the key step. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on each page you want to select. You'll notice that selected pages become highlighted, which confirms they're all chosen. This allows you to move, duplicate, or delete multiple pages at the same time, saving tons of time. Deselect if needed. Accidentally select a page you didn't mean to? No worries. Just click that page again while still holding the Shift key and it will be deselected. It's that simple. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to select multiple pages in Canva quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.